Air turbine hand tools are 25 to 90,000 RPM. They operate only using 90 psi 6.2 bar air and are the lightest and the quietest hand tools on the market. They require no maintenance and no oil, so you have no issues with oil mist. And their low vibration means you have no issues with carpal tunnel.
Air turbine tools are light, fast, and efficient with power up to 1.4 horsepower and under 67 decibels of noise. There's only one moving part. The shaft just floats on two bearings and the turbines attached to it. So there's no gears or brushes or vanes in there to foul out.
These hand tools maintain their high speed in cut, as when the cutting tool comes under load, more air is allowed into the patented governor in the turbine.
You only need a light hand to remove material, finish, or engrave, as the speed does the cutting. These tools will drastically cut down on operator fatigue. You can find out more at airturbinetools.com or give us a call for an in-plant demonstration and feel the difference.